And put it on the top right here. And put it right here. All the way in.
Not that far, honey.
How come?
Like this.
And put it
On the
in.
top. See? Like that.
And put it in. And you lift it up. And you put it in.
Make sure not to touch anything, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Get close to the fire. Let me help you? You can do it? You gotta get closer than that, baby doll. Well, watch out. Don't touch it, though, okay? Like right here. Okay.
Good job, honey.
You're doing good. Oh. That's okay.
This way.
Is it all done?
Yeah, it's still working.
It's still smoking?
I don't think so.
How come?
Yeah, that's okay. You want that one?
Are you all done with it?
I think it is still working.
You all done with it, honey?
Are you gonna make another one?
Want to pull it off and eat it?
No.
Taste it like that. Taste it like that, baby.
I want the other one.
Quick.
No.
Quick!
Blow on it.
Aww.
Daddy.
I thought you wanted to blow on it.
No, because I will burn myself.
You'll burn yourself?
Uh-huh. I would.
You silly goose.
So, Mommy,
What, honey?
I kind of like it.
You kind of like me?
Yeah? No, Mommy?
You don't have anything in there.
No.
Good, honey?
I does. No, I do.
How many do you have on there?
2.
Who else put 2 on there?
Pet me
And who else?
and Daddy.
You did.
Uh-huh.
Are you going to make 2 of them? Let's see it. You're a good cook, huh, honey? Preston. Are you a good cook? Alright. Everything's weapon.